Years of poor care led to closing one of the troubled nursing homes here in Rochester. But critics say it's not the only one. Today, we are broadening our investigation of poor nursing home care. As we've reported, federal officials are forcing Waterview Heights Nursing and Rehabilitation Center in Rochester to close. They say conditions are so bad, residents are in danger. Well, consumer investigator Deanna Dewberry has been leading our coverage. And Deanna, elder advocates are telling us Waterview did not get this way overnight.
They insist that this has been really a long time coming. And as I explained in my investigation last week, advocates say the Department of Health is partly to blame. They say the department provides poor oversight. DOH is responsible for inspecting nursing homes. So today, I combed through public data provided by the department showing the frequency of those inspections. And what I found was truly shocking.
The people united will never be defeated.
It was a cold day in February when employees from the Pearl Nursing Center stood on snow-slickened streets in protest. They said the facility's poor staffing levels were unsafe for not only workers but also the residents in their care. And this inspection points to staffing shortages as well as a host of problems, from quality of care to infection control. The Pearl earns only 1 out of 5 stars. That means much below average. But according to DOH records, the last time the Department of Health completed a certification inspection was more than 2 years ago, June 28, 2024. Nursing homes are supposed to be inspected every 9 to 15 months. In fact, of the 8 one-star nursing homes in Monroe County, 5 have not been inspected within the time period mandated by law. The one-star Lilac Manor was last inspected more than 2 years ago, June 6, 2024. The department conducted a certification inspection of the one-star Rochester Center for Rehabilitation and Nursing 19 months ago, January 14, 2025. It's been almost 2 years since Blossom Healthcare Center, also one star, was inspected, October 1st, 2024. And the one-star Monroe Community Hospital was last inspected 20 months ago, December 20th, 2024. Now, I found at some of those facilities, inspectors have investigated specific complaints, but comprehensive inspections of all aspects of the facility have not been done. Nikki, of course, I reached out to the Department of Health to get their response to this, and I have not heard back from them.
All right. Thank you, Dee. We also asked the Department of Health about the closure plan for Waterview. The deadline was yesterday at 5 p.m. The department did not answer our question, but other sources have told us Waterview did not submit the plan, and it's working on making revisions. We'll continue to investigate and bring you any update.